Understanding, Dig Up the Past, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, dig up the past. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and unearth the secrets of this interesting expression. The phrase, dig up the past, is a figurative expression. To dig up literally means to remove something from under the ground by digging. However, when we talk about digging up the past, we are referring to the act of bringing up old issues, memories, or experiences that have been forgotten or ignored for a long time. It's like metaphorically digging into the ground of history or memory to uncover something buried. Everyday conversation. In everyday conversation, you might hear someone say, "Let's not dig up the past," which means they prefer not to talk about something that happened a long time ago, especially if it's unpleasant or controversial. Literature and media. In books or movies, a character might dig up the past to find answers or understand the context of a current situation. It often indicates a search for truth or an attempt to resolve unfinished business. Caution in usage. Be cautious when using this phrase, as it can sometimes bring up sensitive topics or painful memories. It's important to be empathetic and considerate of others' feelings when discussing the past. 1. During the family reunion, Uncle Joe started to dig up the past, reminding everyone about the childhood pranks they used to play. 2. The detective decided to dig up the past of the suspect to find a motive for the crime. 3. I prefer to leave things as they are and not dig up the past. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, dig up the past. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you can confidently use this phrase in your conversations. Remember, language is a window into culture and history, and understanding phrases like this can enrich your English learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.